For today's cook, I'm going to be taking these beautiful spiny lobster tails and making an incredible lobster roll for an awesome hunting trip. The first thing I like to do is a seasoned butter. Remember, exact amount in the description down below. Add in room temperature butter, smoked paprika, chili powder, granulated garlic, Cajun seasoning. Mix it well and your seasoned butter is done. Now let me show you how I prepare lobsters for the grill. When cutting the lobster, remember not to split the tail because if you do, it will not stay upright on the grill. I also like to loosen the meat from the shell so that my seasoning and butter would go throughout the lobster, not just on top. You will also catch the seasoned butter so that it stays underneath the lobster, keeping it moist and far away from being dry. Here's a tip: if you don't want any chewy parts from your lobster, you are welcome to remove this outer layer. As you know, lobsters change their shells, and that's basically the next one for me. However, I don't mind it and I'm gonna keep it on. I'm also going to be grilling some lemon. By grilling the lemon, it produces a sweeter flavor, which is quite unique to describe. You have to try it. And for the lobsters, I'm seasoning them with salt and pepper. When grilling the lobster, the first thing you want to do is sear it quickly first and then cook it indirect heat. That way we will not overcook the lobster. And I recommend starting out with a cold grate so that the lobster will not stick when searing. You are shooting for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And don't forget to baste it every 5 minutes with that beautiful butter. But now it's time to cook them up, so let's do it. These lobsters are perfect to eat just as is, but I am making lobster rolls for our hunting trip, and we are pretty big boys. This is not enough lobsters, so I got a supplement. We're gonna grill some shrimp with that beautiful seasoned butter. Check it out. Now we're gonna make lobster rolls, and here's how. Throw in the grilled lobsters, the shrimp, mayo, for that nice crunch some celery, smoked paprika, hot chili powder, seasoned well with salt. Mix it well and your lobster mix is done. Definitely want to toast your buns before you putting in the lobster mix. But remember, we're going on a hunting trip. There's no way that we can toast our buns there. So I wanted to try it without toasting and see how I like it. Alright guys, so this is the lobster roll. There's only one thing left to do, is to try it. Now notice I put very little on this one, and it's because we're going on a hunting trip. And everything is for the hunting trip. I don't want to eat too much of it, but at the same time, enough talking. Let's try it. Oh, it turned out fantastic. The grill You know, when you're searing it, that char flavor that comes from the charcoal, it is impossible to beat. It's nothing like boiling it, nothing. You know, when the flame comes up and that thing gets, you know, seasoned by the actual charcoal, it's incredible. And I rather 100 times grill my lobster than boiling it. Comment below and let me know if you agree with me. Taking it all apart, combining with the sauce, spices, mayo, and also the shrimp together, perfect combination. Now this is for a hunt, I can't eat too much of it. Hopefully, Ninja and Mama will only see this video after it's already gone and launched. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Now I'm gonna finish these 2 beautiful lobster rolls, and I'm gonna take the rest to the guys. And I'll let you guys watch a little bit of it. Check it out. Now you're gonna get a treat with a beautiful lobster roll. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready for that. I'm hungry. And this thing is awesome!
Hold on, because Ninja wants some more.
And I keep singing for you guys. And driving.
Can I ask you a favor? Please don't sing anymore. We really don't enjoy this. I'm gonna cut him out right now. Your singing sucks, bro.
Bro, that's Frank Sinatra adaptation. My adaptation. My. How do you say that, bro?
Singing sucks!
So you wanna keep me quiet?
Yeah, to shut you up. Here you go, my friend. Enjoy. Enjoy. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna leave you guys with a little bit of footage of the hunt, and I hope you enjoy it. Check it out.
And some music. And driving in the rain.
We still have 2 hours to get home.
Wow, 2 hours more to drive and listen to this guy.